Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Right, okay. I am on with you to, let me catch my breath. Just come up the stairs, so. Right, okay. I'm on with you today to do the design team collaboration for ShinySilverTreasures. And what we had, the brief we had was stamp, which is this one, absolutely gorgeous, paper, and one of the postcards from the kit. Let me put that there. I've got projects in baskets everywhere. So I've decided to make a card. Now, I've taken some cardstock from the kit and I've just cut myself a card base, and yeah, I've chose this absolutely gorgeous papers in this kit. So yeah, I'm not going to measure. My card base is, I think it's 5.5 by 5.5. I'm not quite sure. But I'm just going to do this and chop it down. Oh, let's not have a crafter lunch today, thank you. Okay, so where are we? Here we are. So yeah, the kit this month is all about glitz and shinies and like galaxy, and oh, it's absolutely beautiful. I've got to say, Dawn, you put this kit together fabulously. So that's going to go on there like so. And then I have got my postcard, and I was thinking something as simple as that. And what I've done is I've used the butterfly stamp, obviously, and I've embossed. First I embossed with my purple orchid, and as you can see it, it's shiny, but yeah, it doesn't really show up that much on the paper. So I switched to Pearl Gold Sparkle by Wow. So I'm using that. So without further ado, let's get to sticking. Okay. Right, I have some information for you for the Christmas Advent. There is a sneak peek coming up in the next couple of days. It's not much of a sneak peek because I didn't really want to give anything away. But yes, we have, well, our lovely Dawn has put together a fabulous Christmas Advent, 12 Days of Christmas. And you can pre-order this month. I'm not too sure on the dates, but I know you can pre-order. So if you just go over to the shop and have a look on there, and it'll be on there somewhere. And from what I can remember what Dawn has said, because I have asked her about it, for the people who pre-order in the UK, something about you need to order by November or something like that. I'm probably completely wrong. And for people who order from like international and outside of the UK, you need to order in October. It could be vice versa. I don't know, but yeah. Or it's for people outside the UK, you will get your Advent for October. For people inside the UK, it's November. But the best person to say about this, obviously, is our lovely Dawn. She obviously knows more about this than I do. I don't seem to know anything. Oh dear. Right, okay, so what I want to do with my gorgeous butterflies is, firstly, I'm going to cut it down to size, and I want to make it into like a banner. Right, so I will keep these. They will come in handy for something else. So let's just chop this down. About there. Oh, spot on that. Okay. And I'm thinking here as a banner. Like that. What do you think? Does it need anything else? I don't really want to cheat this month. Past couple of times I've cheated. I've added more than what I should. So yeah. And I don't think it's fair on the other design team members that, you know, I cheat. Some people will call it artistic license. So I'm thinking, let's stick it about there. Oh, I like that. You like it? I think I was going to round the corners and everything, but never mind. Oh, about there. Sorry if my head gets in the way. Can't quite see the edge of that card. Okay, so we have that, and I like that. And the bits that I've got left over, I obviously will put like a thing in here to write your little message on. Yeah, I'm going to put that there, just for a little bit of decoration on the inside. I like black card. I think it's lovely, especially with these colours. You know, the purples and the blues and everything. Beautiful. Right, and as quick as that, I am done. And there is my design team collaboration for the month of October. Please check out the description box below for all the other links that you will need to go and see what the other design team members have done and how they interpret this prompt. You can obviously join in if you want to. So you need from the kit stamp, postcard, and some of the design paper that is in the kit, and that is it. Try not to cheat. I haven't. Quite surprised actually. But yeah, we'd love to see your makes over on the Facebook group. It is linked below as well, so yeah, go and check it out. And obviously don't forget to go and have a look in our Dawn's online shop. Absolutely amazing things she's got coming out this month. Amazing. I cannot wait for you to actually get your hands on these goodies. They're just fabulous. Right, I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to stop waffling. So I've got to get on with another video because I've got baskets everywhere. So I put my projects in baskets. So I've got one basket here. I've got a couple of baskets over there. So yeah, I've got projects everywhere coming out of my ears. But that is it. I'm going to go stop waffling, gabbing on, let you get on with the rest of your day. So if you enjoyed watching, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And if you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And I will see you in another video very soon. Bye bye for now.